Hi. Yes, okay, sorry. So rude of me. So I haven't seen Benji in about 4 months, and I realized that these next 2 weeks of break... Yes, I'm talking about you. These next 2 weeks of break have to be the best 2 weeks of his life. We adopted Benji a year ago. He is like no other dog that we've ever had before. Benji has idiopathic epilepsy, and what that means is he has a condition where he has seizures, but we don't know what the source is. But we do know he doesn't have a tumor, but we can prevent his seizures using medication. He takes 2 pills every day to regulate his blood levels so that way he doesn't have a seizure. His seizures aren't like your usual seizures where he shakes around all over the place. He kind of gets really stiff, like he can't control his movements. A month into having Benji, I witnessed his first seizure, and it was terrifying. It was 1 a.m. I didn't even know what was happening, and he looked so uncomfortable. And we just got him, so I was like, what is happening? We just got this dog. I don't know what's happening. Is he like, After he had that seizure and we brought him to the vet, we did some research because we wanted to know more about him and why this was happening. First, we contacted the shelter that we adopted him from, and we found out who was his owner before he ended up in the shelter. And then we found out where his owner purchased him from. We found out that his owner got him from a puppy mill. And the bad thing about these puppy mills is there's no guarantee that these puppies are getting the nutrition that they need. So their brains aren't developing to the best of their ability, and then they could end up with conditions like what Benji has. Go ahead. Be my guest for you. How rude of me. Hey, you're not gonna give me a second? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Take it and go! Take the leash.
He likes to hang out. Just do that. Because there's 2 windows, it's really hard to figure out what's the best place to hang out. Back over here. Hi! Hello! This is a car accident waiting to happen. Oh, good boy. You got it all out of your system. Nope, 1 more window.
Oh, hi.
Just a couple of minutes.
Hi.
There you are. Oh my god, that is like perfect. I've had that's a brag, but that's a pretty good one.
No, Benji, no! You said let him in.
I didn't think you'd actually go in.
Now he wants to play with it. Oh, he sees it.
The video. Yes. Okay.
We're going to the park. We're going. We're going. Yeah. We're going. We're pulling in right now. Hey, who told you could come up here? Oh yeah. Yeah, right here. When it comes to... What is up? Am I talking about you? So when it comes to making sure my dog gets the right amount of exercise, I would rather bring him to something big like this so he can run around, walk, sniff, do whatever he wants to do, instead of us going on a walk around the block and he's trying to pull me and he's choking himself and he wants to pee on places that he can't pee. But this is a good time because I'm walking at my own pace, he's doing what he wants to do. The first time we came here, I had no idea if he was gonna run away or not because I had never walked him off leash before. But with all this freedom and space that he has no desire to run away. He wants to stay right by me because he can do what he wants, all while making sure I'm nearby. Whereas on the leash, he's restricted, wants to explore, he wants to find out what's over there because the leash is giving him the indication that he can't find out what's over there, you know what I mean? Doing his own thing and he's not going in the puddle today. Hey! I just gassed you up. No, I just said you weren't going in the, oh my God. Do you want to go see the other dogs over there? Do you want to go see? Oh my. Oh my God, oh my God. Hey. Hi! What's going on? It's like it's a 3-dog showdown. Oh, this dog is here. Hello. You are so dirty, it's fun. He's so proud of himself. His tongue moves up and down.
He's got both of them on him.
ready to go?
Well, you're on film, dog.
Do you want to go outside? Are we going outside? Huh, Benji?
Hi, Benji. Is he being good?
Yeah. Dog's good. Yeah. I love.
Yeah, he's good.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a peppermint hot chocolate and then a cappuccino?
Sure, what size of that?
Just a small. Or, yeah. I think this was
You were supposed to say stall.
tall, small.
How embarrassing.
I am such a loser.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Oh, he's so cute.
Benji! Look at what we have for you! Benji, look at that! Look at his gentle little licks. Go say hello! Who's here? Go get them, Benji! Go, 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 go! Oh my god, do you hear all the other dogs outside?
Oh, you're here. You're here. Okay. You want to go out? Yeah? Ever since my senior year of high school, I've had a huge interest in neurobiology, and when I found out about his condition, my interest in neuro just grew more and more and more and more. And as of right now, I want to be a veterinarian with a specialty in neurobiology.
No, that's your tail! That's your tail, silly! That's the toy! That's Benji. This Webkins from 2005 is Benji's favorite toy. When did Webkins come out?